Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Bit of a pullback today, bit of a rally yesterday, but Solana did not move up as much as Bitcoin after the last update I made yesterday on Solana. There wasn't really much that happened. Support did hold, but also I didn't really have this morning. I didn't really have to move the support area with the price a lot or anything. So it is pretty much unchanged from yesterday. Before we dive into the microstructure, quick reminder on Saturday again, I'm going to upload one video specifically on Twitter. You can vote for it. You can vote for the next 24 hours still on these coins that you asked us to cover throughout the week here on Twitter. So we will now make a vote, a poll, and you can vote for it. And Ondo seems to be winning, but there are still plenty of opportunities to change that result. So if you rather want to see VRA or SAY or ARB, go ahead and give your vote, and you can do that here on our Twitter channel. Just make sure that you follow the correct account with a blue check mark. There are plenty of additional updates, by the way, as well. Yesterday I covered here Bitcoin, ETH, and so on. Lots of other stuff is covered here. Let's go back to the Solana chart. So the base case is still that a wave 4, a larger wave 4 correction bottomed here on the 5th of August. I can go to the larger time frame just to show you that again. I have to say I actually don't know if I updated this one after the triangle broke. We might have to do that together actually. No, yeah, okay, it's all updated. It's all updated. And the idea in the yellow wave count, that's the current thesis, very similar to Bitcoin, yeah, that a wave 4 bottomed. Okay, so the wave 4 could have bottomed it, even if not, I mean, it could easily extend down lower, right? It would then morph into some kind of a WXY structure. So for example, what could happen is either that the bearish count plays out, but I would probably still track something like a WXY structure, and then this is an A, B, C. So we really need further upside trend continuation here, or there is a risk of it to break down. But we have some support levels to watch on the Solana chart. Let's take a look at it. This is obviously the 30-minute chart. You can see here the low point of the wave 4 on Monday, the 5th of August, after it reacted to the important support here around $109, $110. So let's zoom in a bit. And yeah, this is the idea that I also talked about yesterday. So I think we talked about this structure. There is no change. We have 5 waves up into the Wednesday high and a corrective pullback, which, however, was very shallow. So it didn't even reach the lower support box. So it is a bit unreliable. Okay, so that's why I posted in my first update today on Discord that I think this has a good chance of morphing, of transforming, of changing. It's not reliable if the wave 2 was so shallow. So therefore, I included the larger 1-2 setup, something that we observe for Bitcoin as well, sort of, or at least it could also turn into something more bearish. But here actually it would work nicely as a large wave 1 with a large pullback. So to keep it very simple, we have an accelerated bullish scenario here on the chart where we say this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2. Then we have another wave 1, wave 2. And as long as we're holding this support region, there could be a setup for higher prices. Support is between 154 and 145. So to keep it very simple, we have a large swing low here. That is the swing low that formed on Thursday or yesterday, yeah, overnight. And then we just take the fips, measure to the top from there, and these are the fips. And usually prices would react if this really is a wave 2 correction. And we know that from Elliott wave, if this is a wave 2, a third wave should be quite aggressive. By the way, the next rally should be a third wave of the third wave. Third wave is generally the most aggressive part of a rally. And if it's a third wave within an even larger third wave, yeah, that's basically what we want to get into as traders. However, I see this not as like high quality setup because this first wave 2 was not deep enough to be reliable. Still though, if you want to trade it, you have some clear parameters to watch. Just note that below $145.80, the accelerated 1-2-1-2 structure will likely get invalidated. This is not the invalidation point. The invalidation point is the Thursday low that formed around $141. In that case, I would have to see the entire move up as a 5-wave move. It would be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Yeah, it's just that Due to the shallow wave 2, I could also interpret this as an internal fourth wave. It's not entirely clear. So that's what I'm tracking here as a wide wave count. If that's the case, we have to prepare for a deeper pullback into the lower support region. In simple words, that means we are tracking two bullish scenarios, one with a shallow pullback, one with a deep pullback. There are two Fibonacci support areas to watch. And if we break below 145.80, then the key support will be the lower box, which is $119.65, which will be the last support that will stand between a third wave rally to the upside and new lows in a larger, possibly still unfolding wave 4 correction. But I mean, for most altcoins, it would really be good if the last rally is holding. This seems to be now the first decent pullback after the recovery rally. So this is where the bullish thesis will be tested. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.